Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong December 12. And for today, we are going to continue our series of 7 postures of prayer. Our posture dedicated for today will be praying with expectation. Makikita po natin ito sa Matthew chapter 7, verse 7 to 8, na nagsasabing, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. For everyone who asks receives. The one who seeks finds, and to the one who knocks, the door will be opened." Sa Tagalog, humingi kayo at kayo'y bibigyan. Humanap kayo at kayo'y makakatagpo. Kumatok kayo at kayo'y pagbubuksan. Sapagkat ang bawat humihingi ay tatanggap, ang bawat humahanap ay makakatagpo, at ang bawat kumakatok ay pagbubuksan. Because God is not stingy. Hindi po madamot ang ating Panginoon. In fact, He is generous. Kung aalalahanin po natin, pinatawad niya tayo sa ating mga sins. He gave us salvation through grace, by faith, no? That's His own willingness. Hindi po dahil sa kung ano man yung ginawa natin. No. Dahil generous siya. Therefore, God is pleased with an expectant heart. Gustong-gusto ng Panginoon kapag hinahanap-hanap mo siya, kapag hinihingan mo siya ng tulong, kapag nag-expect ka ng something from Him. Because He can provide. You're the one that needs to act. You're the one that needs to show faith, devotion. Because God has promised that He will answer. Pinangako niya na, nakasulat na sa Book of Life, sa Bible. And everything that He says will come true. So pray, because God answers prayers. Hindi po natutulog ang ating Diyos. Magdasal ka kung anong gusto mo, kung anong kinakailangan mo. Ipoprovide niya yun. And expect great things from God. Because God is benevolent. God is almighty. Makapangyarihan ang ating Panginoon. So trust God's wisdom and sovereignty. Magtiwala ka sa Kanya. Hindi ka pababayaan ng ating Panginoon. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat. Let us all give glory to our one true God. Amen.